and the many, many things you do for me. I just want to say, Imbela, you they show me your grace, you they show me your love. I don't deserve it, God, so I've come to say, Imbela.
All right, so what is there is that you have to come over here, all right, and then what we did was to look for colors. We just go to look for a shirt color that can actually harmonize with what we go to design. So now the truth is, if you can like have this kind of colors of shirts as it is, we can say that I just come to Google now. You can look at what we did. We come to Google and search through your Google, right? Your Google search, and find out any color that any color combination that you want to use. So I decided to like see if I can like get something I can use. Okay, so I think this one is nice. Okay, this one is actually nice, so I decided to pick this one. So what I'm going to do is to download it and screenshot. All right, just screenshot, or you can just download it and then take it to Canva, upload it to Canva, and then it will just go to match with Canva.
Let me quickly crop it. What I need is the color. I want to use the color that I found in the shirts. Okay, I want to use those colors, so I just screenshot like this. Just click on this to save. All right, so we are in Canva now. Click on the plus sign and let's upload it. Go to gallery. Okay, gallery, and let's upload it. Okay, you're going to see it somewhere here. Network is a bit down. All right, click on images and then this is it. Okay, just click on it and click on add to page. All right, so it's going to pop up like this, and then you're going to be here. All right, now what is happening is that, okay, because these colors are here, all right, anything you want to do now, right? For instance, if I do something like, if I bring in a letter like, let's say N, okay, if I bring in letter like let's say N, okay, or say no as we want to write, okay, that's what we want to use, no. Now if I want to use any color here, if I click on colors now, okay, the shirt that I uploaded, the colors are here. See that Canvas already give you colors that you can use now, so you can use color combinations from this now because we already have this stuff here. Is that clear? Outside of the normal default colors, because of what you have uploaded, all right, Canva created another set of colors for you. Is that clear? That came with this particular photo. Is that clear? So follow me as we go further. All right, so the first we're going to do is to get a background color, right? So click on it like this, click the background, all right, and then click on this color stuff, right? Just click on this color, click on color, then come down to where the shades color, the photo color is, all right? So we can take this dark color, okay? I can use that, all right? That's what I want to use. That's the reason why I actually brought this photo down here. So what I'm going to do is just push this photo somewhere here, all right? As long as it's within this interface, I can use any of the colors there, right? That is the essence of me bringing it, all right? So I'm going to click on this letter no, all right, that text no, change it to white color. I'm going to change that to white, okay? Then I kind of like open it up a bit, or better still, okay, let me just go back and get, hold on, just go back, go to text, go to add a heading to it, type add a heading, and then let's type the word no, all right? Type the word no. All should be in capital letters. Is that clear? All should be in capital letters. So I'm going to take it up here, hold on. I'm going to take it up this way, somewhere here. It shouldn't be too, I want it to be very close. Okay, just open it up a bit, a little. Then come to spacing, and then drag to make sure the letters are close to each other. Exactly, very good. Now you're going to come over here, come to fonts. Come to font, make sure you follow closely. Okay, this is very important. Come to the fonts, click on fonts. Then on font, I want to use this particular font. Okay, I want to use this this font that let me use, just type letter K, then type K, and then just come down here. Okay, just come down here. There's a font I want to use. Okay, I think it's this particular one. Just watch for it. Okay, wait for it. All right, so guys, I'm using these fonts. Let me show you the font. So you can use the exact font, or you can decide to use another font. Okay, just click on the font, the text, click on font. Okay, this is the font I'm using. Look at it. It's called Komorebi, something like that. Okay, I don't know what it means, but Komorebi. You can use collective also. No, any of these ones is okay. Okay, you can decide to use any of them here. Okay, make sure they are okay. All right, so just take that, and then it's like they're too close, so I'm going to come over to spacing again, and then open them up a bit. Okay, very good. That is the space I want. All right, so now that I've done this, I'm going to come to effect, click on effect, come to hollow, click on hollow. All right, right? Click on holo and then click on it again, and then see how you can like reduce the holo. Okay, reduce it like this. Okay, I think this is cool. All right, so now that you have done this, okay, we can now start working. Follow me closely. This is Dr. K. Okay, so now that I've gotten the text ready, right? So let's go to plus sign, click on your plus, go to element, and then go to type the word color. Okay, just type the word color. When you type color, you're going to see some kind of like suggestions here: color splash, color palette, and all that. Okay, let's click on color splash, which I'm not going to use anyway. Now when you do that again, you're going to see other kind of like suggestions again. You can see this one, paint brush stroke. This is what I want to use. Okay, click on that, paint brush stroke, then come to graphics. Okay, go to graphics. We're going to use editable ones. Okay, we're going to use editable one, not the one that we cannot edit. We're going to use the one editable. For instance, if you click on this one, let's see. If you click on any one, all right, give it time. If it's editable, you're going to see color here. You're going to see the color changing here. But there's no, this one is not editable. Okay, so we're not going to use this. All right, let this one go. Go back there, and then let's try something else again. Let's see if we can use anyone that is editable is okay by me. All right, so let's try this one. Let's try that. Okay, now okay, you can see this one has black. You can see that this is editable. Okay, this is editable stuff, right? So what we're going to do is to click on it, click on the color, and then change it to what? White, for instance. Okay, let's change it to white. Okay, in fact, I'm not using white. Let's come back to the color that I found in the shade, that in the photo that I brought. Okay, so let's use this one. Let's use brown. Okay, let's use that brown first, and then what we're going to do now is to, now that this is ready, look at what we're going to do. Take it up here. Let's stretch it out a bit. It shouldn't be too big, but I think, is this okay? All right, something like this. Okay, just make sure you stretch it out a bit. Okay, I'm not really cool with this one anyway. I'm not really that cool with it, but we can manage it. I don't want this thing to be too big. All right, so let me reduce this a bit. Okay, reduce it, and then make sure you position it very well. Sorry, follow me. Okay. All right, so click on it, and then let's see, somewhere like this is okay. I think I need to change this stuff. All right, or what we're going to do is to zoom in. All right, very good, zoom in, and then let's see if we can reduce this thing. It's not coming out the way I want it. Follow mode, just hold on. All right, so I decided to reduce it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to take it here. All right, drop it somewhere like this. Okay. All right, now look at what I want to do. This is very important, so please watch this particular part very well. So click on the text. All right, duplicate the text. Exactly, duplicate the text, and what you do is place it on top of the first one. Make sure they light on it very well. You see what I did just now, right? I duplicated the text. Okay, in fact, let me duplicate it into 3 places. All right, keep it here. The other one here, bring it out, keep it here, because I need it in 3 places. Okay, I need it in 3 places. Make sure they're not too far from each other. Okay, arrange it properly. Okay, I think this is cool. So what I'm going to do, like I mentioned, take this palette, the stroke rather, keep it here on top like this. Okay, all right, now what I can do, I can as well duplicate that too into 3 places and change the colors. Look at it, duplicate, put it here. All right, put it here, and then duplicate again, put it here. Now what I'm going to do again, click on this one, change the color. Let's change the color to, let's say, blue, or okay, or maybe green. All right, then let's change this one to green. Okay, I think this is okay. So you can see I'm changing the colors, right? Follow me.